Today is the first video of a series I like to call Classed. In this series, we take subjects, topics, and ideas that you would learn in a psychology course in your academics and attempt to explain and simplify the idea into a short form video. While we do not try to make you an expert on anything, we know you can walk away from this video feeling just a bit more knowledgeable in just a few quick minutes. Today, we will be covering the Foundations and Introduction to Psychology for AP Psychology Unit 1. So, the first thing you should know is what psychology is. While most books have long-winded explanations as to what psychology is, here are the basic key points of the subject that will give you all the information you need. Psychology is a scientific study of human behavior and thought. Psychologists make observations about behavior and thought in order to draw conclusions about mental processes. Like any other scientific study, psychology has experimental methods, rules, and ethics in order to study and experiment effectively and safely. As for the origins of psychology, it started out in a much more philosophical way, but transformed into a science as time went on. There were two main ideas regarding how the mind and the body were connected: monism and dualism. According to dualism, the mind and body are separate entities. The mind can influence and control the body, but the body can also influence the mind. The primary believers in this were famous philosophers such as Plato and Socrates, but even later psychologists such as Descartes believed this. On the opposite end, monism is the belief that the mind and body are connected. In this rationale, the mind and body react to the world in tandem, reacting together to the reality around us. Some people that believed in this theory were Aristotle and John Locke. With all of this in mind, you now have a quick foundation as to the roots and the what of psychology. While simple to understand, it is important to know the history and not to neglect any knowledge, no matter how simple. Hello everybody, thank you for watching the video. This is a short video, but this is the whole point, that it's shorter in order to make more informative content for all the people who are more interested in the academic side of psychology. If you like this video, I encourage you to go watch some of our other videos, as we have a whole catalog ranging from interesting information to the darker side of psychology. So if you are interested in any of that, please go check that out, and I hope to see you in the next one. Take care.